up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and take a look at the ASUS Zenfone 5Z. So actually it's pretty cool. I got a little demo here. ASUS, I didn't know ASUS was here. Well, they're not really here technically. I'm at the Qualcomm booth. So we're just going to go ahead and take a quick preview look at the ASUS Zenfone 5Z. Don't know much about this phone, but I do want to show you guys at home. So leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe. So become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And comment down below what you think about this phone or any other phone. Alrighty, guys. Like I said, here is the ASUS Zenfone 5Z. So it is kind of loud in here and everything like that, but I did want to show you guys at home. If you guys are a ASUS fan, this is the phone for you apparently. So we're just going to go ahead and take a look, preview at what this phone looks like. So sorry about it being so loud in here. It's ridiculous today. For some reason, it isn't what it was yesterday at all. So let's go ahead and take a little preview. We're going to go ahead and dive right into the settings. See what this thing looks like. Storage and memory. You got 64 gigabytes of storage on board. You got 2 gigabytes of RAM, looks like. Oh, I'm sorry, 6 gigabytes of RAM, looks like. So it looks like 4 is free. So anybody in the comments below, let me know what you think about this phone or any type of stuff like that. Let's see what, never really play around with an ASUS phone, to be honest with you guys, so just kind of lost, to be honest. So it is running 8.0. Pretty much there you have it, guys. Like I said, looking pretty sweet. You got your themes, you got your Google, you got your ASUS theme stuff, ASUS data transfer, you got your camera right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the camera is. Look like it's a 12 megapixel camera right there. On the back, let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Hey, nice. What we got on the front? We got a 12 on the back, 12 on the back, 8 on the front. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So it's just a quick look at the ASUS Zenfone 5Z. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, leave a like on the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next exhibit.